Now, let's learn how to contact with them if you are facing any problem with your hosting or with your domain. For that, you need to go to the ticket section. After coming over here, you will find submit ticket. Just click on it. Then you will see two departments. One is general inquiries, technical, and abuse. General is for the basic informations, you can just go with it, or if you're facing any technical issues, then you can contact with here. So I'm just showing you that how to open it. So I'm just going with the general inquiries. After coming over here, choose the service that you want to get support for that. Now choose the priority. I'm just keeping it as high. If you have like emergency support, then you can keep it high, but for now it's not emergency, so I'm just keeping it as low. Now just give it a subject like, hey there, I need a small assistance, or I need a small help, and explain whatever you want to write here. By the way, you will be also finding an attachment section where you can attach the screenshots, the problem which you are facing. Then select I'm not a robot, fill up the captcha, then submit. Within few hours they're gonna contact with you. Also just remember your ticket ID, because it